Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel and to another video. Hope you're doing well today. If you are new to me, thank you for clicking in today. Why don't you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our other videos coming up. We do videos usually on a Tuesday and a Friday. Also sometimes I stick another one up as a bonus video on a Sunday. I had missed an awful lot of time here on YouTube, but I'm back into the swing of things. So we are coming fast approaching to Valentine's Day, and I thought I would do some simple, cute, but very easy love nails. The nail bar have this fabulous pink. Now I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up on it. It is quite vibrant and neon. If you were to put white under it, it would definitely be a neon pink. But I don't want brightness today. I kind of want it a little bit muted. So I thought I would do just over the nails that I currently have. What is it called? It doesn't have a name. It came in a collection actually, and there was like yellow, orange, purple, a corally pink, and this pink as well. It was missing a green. Bit of a shame really. Green as well would have been fab. So there we have it. It is a lovely pink and it has a nice shine to it, and one coat does. It's quite opaque. Excuse my cuticles. I had a allergic reaction to some gel again. Still trying to find that right gel brand that I'm not allergic to. Now one coat would be fine, but I am a 2-coat girl just in case. So I fly through painting these and I'll give it another coat and then we can jump in. Now, this is the plate that I wanted to use today. This is the Dixie plate Love 18. Now, to be honest, last year I had awful trouble with it. Like, nothing would pick up. There's a couple of new stampers that I'm working with all the time now, and I don't have any problems with them. So I'm going to see, will that make a difference today? Otherwise, I'm not going to faff around long with it. I'll try 2 or 3. If it doesn't work, I'm done. I will use maybe the Lina, one of the Lina love plates that I have as well. So, but I want to go down with the this love image here. I like the X's and O's. I kind of think an intricate one nail, maybe the hearts. I like the I love you and the be mine as well. So we'll just see how we go. It did pick up, but it is a little bit gappy. But I think I'm going to roll with it. So that definitely worked out better than I expected it to. It is a little bit patchy, but I can deal with that most definitely. So I wonder, will the other ones that I wanted to use work as well? Yay! I'm back into loving this plate now that I can use it. However, this image really needed to be shrunk for my nails, I think. Let me see. Yes, it doesn't fit that way. It does fit that way. I actually don't think I will use that image at all. Let's try something else. So I want to go in and use this Be Mine Forever or You Complete Me. We will just see how they pick up. I might roll it this time. Okay, You Complete Me. Well, what we will go with there. No, that is a no-go for me, that one now. The Lina Make Your Mark 03, it has a lovely heart image, but I think that might stamp everywhere, so I am going to put some liquid latex on the nails. I'm just, sorry, that was off screen. Just allow that to dry before we go in with our stamping then. So while our latex is drying, we'll go in on the other hand with this circle image. Now this one really is intricate. It's very fine lines. I don't know. We will hope so. Yes, perfect. I don't really like how the oh, that's because that's not meant to be there. Be mine forever. And I place the F not on my finger. That's a shame. I may do that finger again actually. That will really bug me, but I'll do that off camera. Yeah, I'll do that off camera. So as the liquid latex is now dry, we can go in with this lovely one. Oh yeah, that's so pretty, isn't it? My camera died there. I've stamped this image from the Dixie plate and we are going to go in. I'm not sure if I even like it actually. But it's done now. Really should have done liquid latex for that one. The cleanup on that is going to be a nightmare. But that is them. Now the Be Mine I have redone as I said I would. The B has a few gaps in it. So I am going to go in with a little brush and some black and just fill them in because that'll bug me as well. And I don't freehand, so yay. So I'm going to clean up, I really only have one finger to clean up. I'm going to clean that up and then we will top coat. I really don't have a great top coat either at the moment, so I'm hoping the smudge won't be colossal. So there we go guys, all cleaned up and I have top coated, didn't smudge and I have oiled my cuticles. So we have You Complete Me, that love with the arrow and the hearts, and then we have this weird heart thing here. I'm not gone on this, I think it's too black. XOXO and Be Mine. And yeah, I really like them actually. They're quite pretty indeed. So I will leave these ones on for a little while, I think. A few fingers are plain as well. So yeah, until the next time guys, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos. Of course, if you do have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below and I will answer them. And I will also just link everything I used below as well, just in case you want to get your hands on it. So until the next one, stay safe. We will see you soon. Bye.